Hey y'all, the time is finally here. It is launch month. I'm super excited, and I am also getting ready for a huge Juneteenth event here in St. Louis, so I'm getting my inventory prepared for that. This is my body elixir, and it is a dry body oil. I will link the videos if you want more details about what this oil is and all the great benefits. But for now, I'm just going to let y'all watch me pack it up and get it ready to go. And here's the final result. Happy with how it looks. So when it came to my soap packaging, I wanted something that was cute but simple. So I made these sleeves and I have them in a rose gold foil. So there's a little bit of a shine to it with the ingredients on the back. I really like the way they turned out. So this is kind of how I wrap up my soaps. Get ready for us. We getting ready to set up the vendor tables. Yeah, so look at that. The Juneteenth event. It is looking beautiful. We're set up, ready. This is the wash station where people can come wash their hands. That's my lovely sister-in-law back there that's helping me out. We have our skin conditioner right here. You know, body oils ready to go. And then we have our body creams. Everybody can come test. So I love that. We also have some minis available, something for the purse, something for the bathroom. And then we have our gift sets, the soft start. If you don't know where to start, you get all 4 products. You can try it and come back for more. This was our first customer of the day. He took one of our minis in our Hydra Balance scent because it is a unisex, so it can be a more masculine or feminine fragrance. Alright, I'm about to step out and give out some samples. Let people try the Radiance cream. It's nice and fluffy, thicker than a lotion, but thinner than a body butter. But it's great for summer and keeps you super moisturized. Hey y'all, so it has been a long day. So
so excuse the way I look, but it has been a long day. It's nighttime. I'm finally home, done with the event. And let me just say, I was super nervous at first, but this was such a successful event, and I'm so happy that I did it and it's out of the way and I got my first one down. We had a lot of positive feedback on the products, and I wish that I was able to film more content of people responding to the products because it was like overwhelmingly positive. Like, people were really in love with the scents. They were in love with how soft and moisturizing and like cloud like that the Radiance cream felt. That was actually my top seller. I completely sold out of all the inventory that I made, so I do have to make some more. So if you're going to reorder, or if you met me at the event and you got one of the minis and wanted to order the larger size, know that I will be restocking it soon. It's just temporarily out of stock. You can sign up on the website to be notified when it's back in stock so you can make your purchase. But yeah, I got a lot of positive feedback. I'm gonna insert some content videos here so that you can see how it's set up. Got feedback on the setup, said it looks really good. And yeah, I'm super excited about how this event went. um Took away a lot of notes, took away some things that I would change, some things that I'm gonna implement for next time. And yeah, I'm just ready to get the next one under my belt now.